be say about 80% of the cars wey Nigerians dem dey drive, they depend on local mechanics dem to keep them to the move for road. But wetin go happen if the economy wahala come make even to fix car come turn to serious luxury? Na big oyibo be that. We won't find out for this episode of Inside Markets. Una welcome. For this episode, now so we waka go for inside Ojo Auto Repair Market for inside Lagos, where plenty mechanics dem dey hustle every day to make sure say motor no go park for road. But as the country economy dey hard, their work don dey slow down. For this report, we go look the challenges wey this mechanic dem dey face, how they take dey survive, and the big potential wey dey for this trade wey fit help Nigeria economy.
My name is Engineer Ibrahim Akinola. So I be mechanic here, and also I be your guy for here.
Now my papa give me this work. If you say no be my papa, I don't know where I go to chop. Maybe na thief I go to thief now. It's true, I know the life for you, but that time when my papa say I go learn work, I dey believe say much kind work be this jare, say I no fit learn land. But when I come reason, come sit down, I come reason say hand work good though. As I dey like this now, man no work till 10 years. If I see this somewhere and I say I know say this sand, something what I learn, it still dey my brain. I'll tell person say I work see this guy, I fit do this kind of thing. They go look my they fit sign me. To no be only football that they sign go abroad. That they sign mechanics say go abroad. Say because of say your work hand work, they fit sign say if you work and they fit sign go there. And so it be.
Okay, my daddy no get money to sponsor me for school again. So now I enter mechanic, I go learn mechanic. So I learn the mechanic, no dey easy. Before I learn am, no dey easy. So before I come do freedom, I come be your gas self, no dey easy. It no dey easy. We pass a lot. So the thing no dey easy. Even though we no dey see work again, because people no dey use motor again. They just dey park motor for house because of the fuel. So we just dey look God face. So nothing dey now. So the economy dey bad for our own side now because no money. Because the economic way dey for this Nigeria now, people no fit bear am. The country dey hard though. It dey hard well.
I thank God, sha, but the work is not easy because the income wey we dey collect now and the income wey we dey spend is not because anything wey we work inside this bus now, any transporter, everything now, you don collect everything before you go reach house and give my woman and my pikin food now. Everything don finish. So like transporter. From here to Koko now, I go to enter 1,000 naira, go house and come back. Money don't finish. There is no money. Then I know what they cause all these kinds of things is by fuel. If you fuel calm down now, I know say everything go dey okay.
Very hard something. This Nigeria nowadays now is for everybody. Both everybody are engineer, mechanic, driver, passenger, all of us, we affect us. Now we Nigeria, we country where we do now, we too hard for everybody. As we the manager now, nobody will keep comfortable again. Everybody is the manage himself now. Both family, to feed your family now, it's not easy for everybody.
I'm a bus driver here. I carry my motor, come here, come and repair it. And present the situation of this country now, it's not easy at all. Because when you brought the vehicle here that you want to repair it and estimate everything before, it's not what you meet, what you calculate you meet here. Understand?
Okay, for this regime now, we know the thing not easy for us. We dey suffer. It's just like say now the part where they buy for the thing, they don't fit pay us. Like now you can see say they lose this shock. Before shock, if you want to buy the set of the shock like this set, if you sell like 20,000, 25. Now if you want to go buy now about like 78, that is the low price. So. And now somebody like you now, if I work for you now, you go say, let me buy parts. How much be our money? If I say 25,000, I say for waiting, you lose engine. Now I say since morning, now they work this one now. I never say lose. So it's not easy for us.
I can't blame the people that are working here also. Because when they estimate something that is 100 naira, when they get to the market to buy the equipment, when they go there, maybe at times 100 naira is supposed to, they'll meet some 300 naira. And there's nothing they can do. And they have to do the work for the people that carry the work, give them. So everybody is affecting everybody here.
This our workshop now, graduate dey there. Best way see they go school now, see day. But no be say they go dey look us say now because they just dey do mechanics, say we no get sensor, we no fit do anything. We fit do more than something because all those cars or all those bus, with no mechanic, the bus cannot even move, car cannot even move. If your car spoil, who want to help you down? You know fit to dey drive and to dey do your thing by yourself now. You need to call mechanic. Now mechanic will help you down. But if they do mechanic, say mechanic no be anything. As you tell they do that mechanic, if your motor spoil, now I'm saying now you go do your thing by yourself. As you know then I want to do am. Person will learn am and he go use your own experience.
If a person wants to sabi this our work, if you want to sabi this mechanic work, first thing we go first sabi, you no go sabi how to thief, and you no go sabi money. So if you no sabi other one, you go know the work. You go know the work. But if you don't come for this work, you will be say the first thing wey they pursue na money or to thief people, you no go sabi the work. So now I think we did there with that.
If you want to join this mechanics, know anything you want to know. If you don't go school, even though you go school small, just to sabi read and write, the thing will remain saying now the brain remain because your eyes to look something we want to dey learn and your brain need to carry am. If your eyes don't look and your brain don't carry am, you go need to dey know everything because they don't tell you say go and do this kind of thing. If you do it today, by tomorrow they no need to tell you say go and do it. You say go don't use your brain because your brain go tell you say this kind of thing I don't do am before.
First thing, if person wants to sabi this work, go first know to loose and tight. So the second thing, you go know how to listen for the engine. So if the engine dey work, you go know how to listen, go to hear the sound. So that one, if you don't sabi that one, you don't know how to loose and tight. First stage. The second one, you go know how to listen for the engine. So if you don't sabi that one, second one, you go know how to drive. So if you don't sabi that one, the rest na small thing.
So now you plenty pass that far self. You plenty. You see, number one, how to detect faults, and how to test drive motor, how to work engine, how to bring out fault from gear. At least it's like 5 things I mentioned. Let me say, go just somebody say him be mechanic. There are some just dey to lose. Tell them say my tie rod shock no good. Some dey like that. Some dey like this to detect criminal faults. Fault wey be say your own brain. No be say use computer. You go use your own brain. Bring out the fault. If you do, I go give what you want.
Can that be criminal fault?
Yes.
Before you know loose and tight, before you know that one, you go use like 3 years. Before you know how to listen for the engine, say the engine dey work. This engine, that one say you go use like 3 years. Before you can't know how to drive. You know say no be all the mechanics know how to drive. So that one say na work too.
And I go tell no professional mechanic be say like something now say something dey worry some cars on bus so very long. But some people just put im brain down. No be everybody sabi use computer. Some people dey na brain that they use. As dem dey, if they don't say this kind, they don't explain to them say this kind thing dey work this motor. They say give me 5 minutes. They'll just sit down, reason, look their brain say and they get something say go don happen like maybe 1999. Maybe don't go. That kind of thing can't happen again. They'll come use that brain say this so years, this kind of thing happen. Let me go there, go and check it and go be the everything will be okay. That's best. They're going to say, this man is a good idea, better professional mechanic. And so it be.
The major challenge of mechanic where you dey now, me don have a workshop challenge. To have workshop or bad land to do your own work is not easy for Lagos. Where you create somewhere for Lagos here, where we dey beside canal, where people no use. After we use some years there, Lagos say because they need that place. But where the thing dey inside canal, nobody will try to use it. When mechanic develop it finish, they will pursue us there.
Abeg make government help us. We wey dey do handwork, we need help of government. Make dem help us. No workshop and no money. This economy wey dey for Nigeria na abeg make dem bring am come down, because na im affect pass, because we dey work with fuel. We dey work with the fuel. So abeg make dem help us. We need help of government. So abeg make dem help us.
I need do this one. I need do this one. Parents just finish. Go back. This kind of boss now, like this one. This kind of boss now, short like this. We get short, we get long, and we need to like. As Oyibo they do their own experience now. Say that they expire. They do like Toyota Camry. They'll say they want to do Toyota Highlander more. Like we now, we get short, and we to expand it to long. Look at this one now. Where we paint now short. We can't expand them, but like no people wey some people wey be say they don't even know. Wey be say we go tell them say now Oyibo do am, then they believe say now Oyibo do am. They be we Africa like this. We say we get our own idea with our own experience. This one no be computer. This one na technology experience. Experience from head. Now we take bring this kind of idea come aside. Thank you.
As the saying they go, person wey pound yam no dey chop am alone. If we support these mechanics, no be them alone go benefit. Na the whole country na im go grow. This na inside market.